Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable AI detection, which is tagging persons and pets, on your TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to open the camera overview on our TP application. And here on the main menu, you would be able to see this button which says that tag is turned off. By clicking on it, we would enable it. Now let me show you how it works. So I'll put my hand in the view of the camera and you can see this tag which is telling that some motion is happening in its view. And if I will stay still, it should disappear. Yes. And now, for example, let's aim the camera on me. And you can see that the camera has detected me as a person. You can see it right here on the preview. And this is how it works. Also, if you have any pets at home, it could detect them as well. For example, any cat or dog. And if you would like to disable the tags, you can simply click on this button once more and it will be disabled. I hope this video was helpful for you and thanks for watching.